Hello everyone and welcome. Since the last time I was here, which was roughly one night ago, I came back, I did some stuff, and I just want to show you something real cool. So this is my upgraded, really taken care of panel. This is literally its final form, with the main power coming in from here, going to this main breaker, and then it is linked straight into this main breaker. Well, no, not necessarily the main breaker. This is just an ordinary breaker, which is gonna handle this one later down the line. But right now it's put on direct. It's pointless, but this is a 25 breaker, and then everything else is on 16, and this one's gonna be another 25, but actually it's not gonna be this one, it's gonna be the main one going into the shop that is going to be built. All right, so that's with that. The rest are all done. This is the entire upstairs that also already done. I have the remaining ones for the bedrooms here in the downstairs, and all of this empty spot is reserved for the kitchen. So the kitchen is gonna have like 4 lines going into it separate. The grounding station is not done yet. That's going to come in tomorrow, actually. Not in, just tomorrow, when we're getting the solar panels. I came in to fix everything up, and these are sleeves that hide the open, exposed, easily touched distributors, which can easily shock you if you touch them without those things. They are absolutely amazing, and I've done it. All that is left is to ground everything, which is coming tomorrow. So yes, that's something I did, and it looks absolutely freaking wonderful. All right, let's flip it, and I will see you tomorrow with another update, hopefully on the... Well, I won't see you tomorrow because it takes a while to edit and everything, but yes, tomorrow I am getting my solar panels. Yes! Bye-bye. See you in the next one.